These are the two most powerful beans in your body, and you've never even seen them. They're about the size of a computer mouse, but they're doing a job that keeps you alive every single second. Think of your kidneys as a 24/7 cleaning crew for your blood. You have two of them, tucked away in your back, working harder than any machine you own. Imagine your blood is like a busy highway. It carries good stuff like food and fuel, but it also collects trash. If that trash stays on the highway, everything stops working. That's where your kidneys step in to save the day. Inside each kidney, there are about 1 million tiny, incredible cleaning stations called nephrons. Think of these as microscopic bouncers at a door. They look at everything floating in your blood. If it's something your body needs, like good fuel, the bouncer lets it stay. But if it's trash, the nephrons grab it, mix it with some water, and send it away to become pee. It's an amazing cycle. Blood comes into your kidney, gets scrubbed clean by these tiny helpers, and heads back out, fresh and ready to go. Now here is the part that sounds like magic. Your kidneys are so fast, they filter about 180 liters of fluid every single day. That is like cleaning your entire body's blood over 40 times. So the next time you head to the bathroom, just remember, your kidney beans just finished a massive cleaning job to keep you running perfectly. Did you know your body was doing that much work today? Let me know in the comments.